Today, everyone, from residents of cities and villages to the head of a state, is aware about the problem of waste products and its importance. In 2018, the government adopted the strategy for the development of the industry of processing, recycling and neutralization of waste products until 2030 and approved a plan of measures for its implementation. This strategy focuses on industrial scale of collecting and recycling. We offer, if it's possible, recycling to produce on-site or even include it in the production cycle. This approach may be interesting and economically beneficial in different situations. First of all, it is suitable for enterprises producing organic waste, which is a high calorific fuel for the production of heat and electricity. How many megacalories and megajoules, and even more clearly, millions of dollars are thrown away into the landfill. Still, there are situations where the consumer does not have the opportunity to hand over waste for disposal, and how many problems can be resolved in the residential sector, especially in cottage settlements and small settlements, where the motivation for the residents is more clear. In this presentation, we announce an innovative installation for environmentally friendly disposal and recycling of organic waste where such approach was applied. It is eco-friendly, economical, compact, easy to maintain. It can generate heat and electricity through additional equipment. And all of these are achieved by the uniqueness of technology and construction. Firstly, it does not need water and fuel from the outside. It works on self-sufficiency. Secondly, the waste processing is continuous. A new batch of raw materials is been loading without stopping the working process. Thirdly, the amount of mineral composition of the ash residue is 30–40 times less than the amount of waste, and it can go into secondary use. Fourthly, the installation does not have expensive replaceable filters, while the percentage of all components in the outgoing gas is below the maximum permissible concentrations. The realized two-step technology of filtrating combustion in a super adiabatic regime was developed by experts of the Institute of Problems of Chemical Physics of the Russian Academy of Sciences far back in 2001. The innovation of the construction of the installation is that both steps go on it sequentially and parallel at the same time, and provide in working amount the temperature of above 1200 degrees Celsius and for longer than 2 seconds. Such mode meets the requirements of the European standard and excludes the existence of harmful compounds in the outgoing gas in the form of dioxins. We guarantee that with the correct exploitation, the installation will serve at least 5 years. The required personnel is 1 or 2 operators. The economy from waste disposal failure, the cost of purchased heat and electricity, operators' wages are all you need to know for self-assessment of the effectiveness of purchasing the installation. And finally, nowadays we are ready to take orders for the production of the installations with a working volume of 0 to 12 cubic meters. The operational and price characteristics are given in the table. While ordering, you can agree on a definite volume of the installation, its design, automatization system, additional equipment and other conditions in conjunction with your production and other needs. The options of cooperation, as well as the implementation options that you see, can be very different. We are open to partnership. Thank you for your attention.